That is so light and nice. That was so satisfying. Guys, I got new stilts. I'm excited. So these are my new stilts I've just ordered from Sensational Stiltwalking. Okay, so they've come in this nice padded bag. I did pay a little bit extra for that, but the stilts themselves are only $6.50.
Inside is the 2 aluminium stilts and the small pouch.
And that is it. Let's see what's in this little bag.
Comes with the company's brochure, the instruction manual, the Shin padding, the Shin plates, the straps, the nuts and bolts, the tools, plugs and the stoppers.
Okay, so first up, you've got to decide how tall you want your stilts. They came at 1 meter. I want 1 meter, but if you wanted to, you could have made them shorter. And all we need to provide ourselves is a mallet. Got my mallet. Let's attach the plug. Plug at the bottom. And we have our stoppers for the bottom. But look, it came with a big washer, which is awesome because when you put them in, it's gonna swivel when you spin, which will be perfect for dancing. So for these stilts, you need to attach your own shoes. I did need to provide a few things. My own shoes, I have taken out the insoles. I needed to provide a drill, a marker. It does say newspaper, but I don't read newspapers, so I grabbed paper towel. So there's like lines there. I got to draw a line on there. I want to roughly drill it in the middle of the line, so then I can adjust the shoe. Okay, let's stuff it. Let's try use a drill. I did it. We've got a hole. Let's stuff it again. Ooh. And I didn't go through the front of the shoe. Got washers, nylocks, and flat head, which are awesome because it's going to be comfortable. It's never going to feel uncomfortable under your foot like there's a bolt digging into you. It's nice and flat. Little Z-shaped thing, so it's going to make it easy to tighten the ones at the toes. Okay, let's attach them. So it must just be like boom, and through the hole I just made. Easy peasy. Just line it up. Now I can choose, I guess, how forward or back I want it. There, because I do tend to balance more on my heels, just because I grew up on wooden stilts. Now we've got to tighten it in. Well, that is looking pretty flat. That's pretty good. Now, I'm not that handy, but because I did have my drill out earlier, but you could use the tool, but it'll just take a while. Done. And the toe one. Done. So the shoe's attached, not super tight actually, because it'll like morph the shoe, but just so it doesn't move. Insole's in. Next step, shin plate. It says on there, top, front, left. So I got to line it up and figure out what height you can angle it if you wanted to, if you wanted it static. But me, I want it to swivel. It says it can swivel, and that's like my favorite new feature I've discovered about stilts. Swivel shin plates, so comfortable. I'm excited to see how comfortable these ones are. Let's line it up into my leg. That hole in the middle. So I am 1 hole from the bottom. Okay, now I'm attaching the swivel shin plate. 10 out of 10, recommend you should always have a swivel shin plate because it's so much more comfortable, because as you walk, it literally moves with you. You get no digging, it's just perfect. But if you are a person that wants to keep things simple and go static, you can with these, which is great. You put it in and it will then have the bolts, these ones that come with it at the top and bottom, and you can angle it slightly as that is a bit bigger. It'll just go in the middle if you're doing that, as this hole is only for the swivel, but everyone should try the swivel. So let's set up the swivel. To make things easier, it's like written here in the order. I'm visual, I put it in a line of how they need to go. So this, through the hole, D-ring at the front, Velcro's on the outside, that, then into the stilt, one from the bottom because I am pretty short, and that, this one, and this one, and look at that, it swivels. That is going to be so good. Let's attach the padding and then let's get up. Now it's custom made to whatever color you wanted. I chose this color because it should hide nicely underneath my costumes. So there's 2 openings that are big, 1 opening that's small. Big opening at the front, put your D-ring through it, the front of the shin pad, and push it on as much as possible. You can thread your strap through the next 2 loops. Now I am ready to get up on my new stilts. Put your shoe on, ready through, and pull. I like to wear my stilts super tight, which the D-ring really helps with making that tight actually. I don't even think I need to adjust it. Often I need to adjust. Let's see how we go. Oh yeah. Okay, they're comfortable. I cannot feel the bolt in my shoe, which is fantastic. Can't really fault them as an overall stilt. I guess if you want to go taller, which most people don't, that could be a fault, or if you want to break them down. Pros, oh my goodness, look how lightweight these are, like, so good. They swivel for spins, the swivel on they're all made in Western Australia, supporting so many local businesses that have put together all different parts of Sensational Stiltwalking's design. If you haven't already decided which stilts you want to get, maybe go check these ones out.